Hello everyone, Jeff the Green Review here. With their artificial soil mixers, containers, and square foot gardens will have very few easy to pull weeds. These gardens are good for children or adults with disabilities because they're easier to maintain. With good soil, sunlight, and water, any bare spots in the ground style of garden are going to grow weeds. Weeds ruin the fun of gardening. They suck up the water and fertilizer and provide homes for diseases and insects. Hand pulling and hoeing small weeds is less work than when they're big, but it's still work. Pre-emergent weed killers made for gardens such as Preen Vegetable Garden Organic Weed Preventer use corn gluten to stop seeds from growing. Pre-emergents are not perfect. Care must be taken when using them because they can stop vegetable seeds from growing, and they will not stop weeds from spreading into the garden by stolons or rhizomes. A layer of mulch, such as newspapers, organic matter, or plastic, will stop most weeds and will help conserve water. Weed barrier cloth lets water through to the roots that plastic mulch and layers of newspapers don't. If you can find Evo Organic Weed-Free Garden Watering Blanket, it works very well. It has a drip irrigation tubing installed between two cloth layers. The closer good garden plants are together, the better they will shade the ground between them, thus slowing or preventing weeds. Leave large enough aisles that you can walk easily, hoe weeds easily, and pull the water hose through without knocking over plants. A stake at the corner of aisles can help control the hose. So what's this mean to me? If you prevent the weed plant from producing more seeds, you win a battle. If the weed produces seeds that drop back into the garden, you lose a battle. And this is Jeff with the Green Review. Thanks for watching.